Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about what is a trial balance. What do you know about trial balance? Introduction and definition. Trial balance is a list of debit and credit balances of all the ledger accounts. It is prepared at the end of an accounting period. Trial balance is prepared in the statement form which shows debit balance and credit balance of all the accounts in the ledger. Therefore, it is called a statement of balance. Trial balance is a statement prepared with the debit and credit balance of ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. So from these definitions you can make out that trial balance is a statement. It is prepared with the help of the balances of debit and credits of all the ledger accounts, and it is also prepared to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books of accounts. It is a list of abstract of the balances or of total debits and total credits of accounts in a ledger, with the purpose being to determine the quality of posted debits and credits and establish a basic summary of final statement. This is another definition. Then one more is below. It is a schedule or list of those debits and credit balances which are extracted from various accounts in the ledger, and balances of cash in hand, cash at bank, as shown by the cash book, are also included in it. Objectives of trial balance. The first one is to check the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger. Second is to locate the errors. And third is to facilitate the preparation of final accounts. So these are the three basic objectives of preparing trial balance. Advantage of trial balance. It helps to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of the bookkeeping work done during the period. It supplies in one place ready reference of all the balances of the ledger accounts. If any error is found out by preparing a trial balance, the same can be rectified before preparing final accounts, and it is the basis on which final accounts are prepared. So basically it's talking about its objective only here. These are the two different formats by which you can prepare a trial balance. First one, you can see we have particulars, name of the accounts, LF, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. The second one below is particulars, LF, debit amount, particulars, LF, credit amount. So either of these two methods you can follow in making trial balance. Points to be noted. Date on which trial balance is prepared should be mentioned at the top. Name of the account column contains the list of all ledger accounts. Ledger folio of the respective account is entered in the next column. Okay, here. In the debit column, debit balance of respective account is entered. In the credit balance of the respective account is written in the credit column. The last two columns are totaled at the end. A debit balance is either an asset or loss of or expenses, and a credit balance is either a liability or income or gain. Limitation of trial balance. Though the trial balance helps to ensure the arithmetical accuracy of the books of accounts, it is possible only when the accountant has not committed any error. As all the errors made are not disclosed by trial balance, it would not be regarded as the conclusive proof of correctness of the books of account maintained. So here there is a question given. Kindly try to prepare a trial balance out of it. The answer is given here below. It should be like this: 508,900. Total of debit and credit column should be this much. There is one more question here. Its answer is also given here. So kindly prepare these two questions and see.